friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm happy to have you, and after the video is done and finished, if you like what you see, make sure you hit subscribe. Now today's gonna be a video on me doing a glueless install on my unit. So if you want to keep watching, stay tuned for that. Okay guys, here is the wig. I've already did the curls, and this is just what it's looking like. Look at that. I cannot wait to put it on my head. Yes, yes, yes. And this is from my wig line. This is from my wig line. And this is a 24-inch body wave, by the way. So pretty, isn't it? Yes, 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 yes. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking. I'm about to go in and put on some makeup. I'll show you. I'm going to go ahead and put in this makeup, which is foundation. Yes, so I'm going to actually pull this back, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I have applied the makeup to the cap, as you guys can see. And I will not be putting on a stocking cap because I'm doing this glueless. So, yeah. I'm really excited about doing this for you guys because I know a lot of my consumers like to have glueless wigs. Now, I know you guys see this is all the way down on my ear, which we don't want. So I'm gonna go in and part it right above my ear, and I'm just gonna cut it off. Okay guys, so right here I'm just showing you where I cut off the ear tabs from the ear to ear lace. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut the lace. You know, you want to kind of cut in sections, especially if this is your first time cutting the lace. You want to take your time and carefully cut it. Now, I will suggest that you cut, what am I trying to say? I guess cut like, don't cut all the way up into the hairline. Kind of just cut it and then go from there, because you know you can't go back once you cut it off completely. So you want to just take small steps. And also another thing, do not cut straight across. Please do not cut straight across on your lace, because it's going to show how you cut straight across. So you want to cut jagged. You want to go in, out, in, out, in, out. You just want to go zigzag, zigzag, in, out, if you feel what I'm saying. But I'm trying to show you guys on camera and cut at the same time. So hopefully you guys can see what I mean and kind of get a gist of how to, you know, cut your lace. I'll probably do another video just on how to cut your lace, but for now this is how you do it. Okay guys, I'm also showing you guys how natural this looks. So as I cut it, I'm also showing you how natural it looks and how you can kind of see how it can become glueless even without mousse or sprints. So that foundation definitely helped, you know, mimic my scalp and my skin tone. So as you can see, I'm just going, lifting it up and down just to show you guys how natural it looks and how well it blends in with my skin. Like I said, you want to cut in and out, like, just look how natural this looks, you guys. Like, I'm just saying, now get with it. Just so natural. Like, don't you agree? You know what I'm saying, y'all? Get with the program now. I think I'm gonna probably be doing a lot of glueless units 2020, all 2020, baby. You feel me? Because, baby, this is lit right here. This is lit. Okay? You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, right here, I'm just going in and showing you that I'm using my mousse to mold my unit down so that it can be glueless, of course. I'm also taking my time. If you want to have baby hair, make sure you have your baby hairs already in position and go ahead and put the mousse on. I'm also going to go ahead and put the elastic band on that you see you can get from Dollar Tree or Walmart, and I'm just going to lay it down with that. Also, my scarf, which is a silk scarf, you want to use that as well too, ladies, and just mold it down with that and put the scarf and elastic on. Now in the next clip, you are going to see me blow dry the lace for about 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, I sped the video up because that would just be a long drawn out video, so just watch. Okay, you guys, look at this install. This looks so natural and melted into my scalp. And all I used was the Nairobi mousse, and then I did use the Got to Be spray on the ends, like by the ear tabs, because those usually are the ones that come up first. But look at it. Doesn't it look really good and flawless? And this is really what you call glueless. And all I did was use my foam wrap and my Got to Be spray, my two head wraps, and I would say, you know, put this down on your lace and then wrap it with the head wrap, and you're good to go. And guys, this hair is amazing. This is from my wig line. Look at this. This hair is beautiful. Okay guys, so I decided to add a little clip in from the other day of me just on a daily basis putting my unit on and showing you how I use my mousse when doing my glueless installs, and just applying my wig, you know, every day, because of course mousse doesn't last all day every day. So I'm gonna show you here that I'm using a little bit of the mousse, and I'm just applying it on my baby hairs and onto the lace. I'm gonna continue to show you that throughout this process on how you put the mousse on, how you use your elastic band or elastic bow, whatever you have in your scarf, in your hair dryer, to get the look that you're going to see when I show you guys at the end of the result. Okay guys, so right here I'm just going to take the scarf off, of course, and show you my finished product and let you guys see how flawless it is and how nice and neat, like I always say. And if you take your time, you will get this look. You will be able to get this look that I have shown you guys how to do, especially for my clients and customers that come to me. Once you buy your wig and you don't want glue, you can do glueless on your own. It is possible. Just follow these steps and you will definitely be able to do this. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email me, call me, or leave a message below. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.